Hello, in front of me I have a VIVO Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser and let's say I want to take a screenshot now. To do it, simply press the power button and volume down button together. You should hear the sound of that screenshot being taken. Also, you will see this preview right here. That means you took a screenshot. And on this preview, you have three options. You can tap on the preview of the screenshot itself. Oh, my bad. Let's go back, take a screenshot again. You can tap on the preview. And here you can share the screenshot, edit it, or delete it. If you tap on share, you will have the list of apps you can use to share your screenshot. You can tap on edit to edit the screenshot. Here you can edit a few things, like you can add some stuff like doodle, mosaic, text, stickers. You can also rotate the screenshot like that. And I think that's about it, basically. And once you're done editing your screenshot, you can tap on save to save it. And the last option right there was delete. So basically you can tap on preview right here and delete the screenshot if you didn't like it by tapping delete and tapping delete again. You can also take a scroll screenshot. So basically if you want to take a screenshot of the something that doesn't fit on the screen at once. So if you have a Google page like this, you can scroll down through it, as you can see. And normally you take a screenshot only of the things that fit on screen. But scroll screenshot allows you to take a screenshot of the whole page by scrolling down, basically. And to do it, simply press the buttons again to take a screenshot. And here you have long screenshot option, tap on it. And now you can swipe up to scroll down through the page, stop where you want. So for example, let's say I want to stop right here, and then tap on save to save your screenshot, like this. And here we have the preview of our long screenshot. Okay, you can also take a screenshot another way. Besides pressing the buttons, you can place 3 fingers on the screen, 3 fingers, and drag them to the bottom of the screen. So basically swipe downwards on the screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, like this. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.